In this tutorial, we'll learn to convert different 3D model files like STP, STEP, IGS, and BREP to an STL mesh file. First, make sure you have already installed the 3Mesh libraries and the GMesh libraries. If not, you can do so with the original pip install. Here I'm doing it this way because I'm using a Jupyter notebook, but you can run the code in any way you prefer. Second, import the 3Mesh library. We'll run it this way. And third, convert the step file to an STL mesh with this piece of code. It can be tweaked. You can use a different algorithm. It has different meshing properties. You can analyze more of this information here in the original repository or here as well. There's more info here on the 3Mesh library and the GMesh library. You can also have a smoother piece, but it'll take more time to compute. You can also do multi-threading, and you can change the minimum circle points as well. We'll run the code. It'll take a couple of seconds to convert. There we go. And then we can visualize the mesh. This is already the mesh that was converted from the step file. We can see it here. And we can also get some useful information like the mesh volume, the bounding box oriented volume, and the area. All the units are in default in millimeters. We can also get the X, Y, and Z dimensions, as you can see here, and with a simple conversion with math, you can see it in centimeters as well. And lastly, the most important part, what we want to do, we want to export the STL file. As you can see here, I have the files, the original files. They are downloaded from this library here at the top from GrabCAD. So this is the file that we're working with, and now I am going to export it. And there we go. Here is our converted file. I hope you found it useful, and if you have any doubt, feel free to leave me a message or a comment. Thank you for watching.